Hello everyone, good morning. Back again with me, Agung, Istri, Santi. How will text about sequence and series? How are you guys today? I hope you are all doing well and ready to learn something new. Alright, before we start, I want to ask you a simple question. Look at the pattern. Have you ever seen a number pattern like this? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Do you think this a random or does it have a pattern?
Yes, exactly. It has a pattern. So, today we are going to learn about sequence of series. By the end of the lesson, you shall be able to learning objectives, understand sequence and series, identify arithmetical and geometric pattern, and solve simple problems. Alright, let's get started. And the sequence. First, let's know about sequence. A sequence is an ordered list of numbers that follow a certain pattern of rule. For the example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Each number in a sequence is colored or tagged. Let me ask you, what is the first term? Yeah, yes, correct. 2. What about second term? Right, 4. No, let's look at the pattern. Arithmetical sequence. An arithmetical sequence is a sequence of numbers in which the value of each term is obtained from the previous term by adding or subtracting undefined numbers called the common difference bit. From 2 to 4, how much does it increase? Good, plus 2. And next, from 4 to 6. Good, plus 2. So the difference is constant. This is called an arithmetical sequence. And formula arithmetical sequence, U R equal A plus N minus 1 multiplying B. And A of equal first term and equal term number and B a common difference. And the next, for example, arithmetical, when the 10 term 2, 4, 6, 8, A1 equal to B equal 4 minus 2 equal to and equal to 10. And substitution into the formula A10 equal 2 plus 10 minus 1 multiplying 2 equal 2 minus 2 plus 18 equal 20 and answer and then 20 for the example arithmetical sequence. Next, Geometry sequence. A geometry sequence is a sequence of numbers in which a term is obtained by multiplying the previous term by a fine number called the radius of. Example, uh, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32. From 2 to 4, we multiplying by what? Nah, it's good. Multiplying 2. This is called a geometry sequence. And a formula geometry sequence, uh, you are equal A multiplying R power n minus 1. And R uh, a common ratio. And the next answer geometry, find the 5 term, 3, 6, 12, and 24. Step A1 equal 3, R equal 2, and equal 5. Substitution into the formula A I5 5 uh, equal 3 multiplying 2 power 4 equal 3 multiplying 16 and equal 48. And answer example geometry 48. And next, let's get to the series. Definition of series. A series is the sum of sequence U1 plus U2 plus U3 plus N plus Un equal Sn. For the example, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 equal 20. And next, arithmetical series. An arithmetical series is the sum of the term of an arithmetical sequence that has a constant difference b between a consecutive term. And the formula arithmetical series Sn equal n divided by 2 or 2a plus n minus 1 multiplying b. And next, example arithmetical series. Find the sum of 5 terms. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Step L1 equal to I5 equal 10 and equal 5. Substitution until the formula S5 equal 5 divided by 2 multiplying 2 plus 10 equal 5 divided by 2 multiplying 12 and equal 30. And answer example arithmetical series 30. And next, geometry series. A geometry series is the sum of the term in a geometry sequence that has a constant ratio between two consecutive terms and looks to formula Sn equal A multiplying 2a1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r and r less than 1 and then Sn equal a multiplying r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 and r greater than 2. And for the example, a student saves money starting with $2 and each day the amount double. Find the total saving after 4 days and solution sequence 2, 4, 8, 16. And the step A1 equal to R equal to N equal 4. Substitution the formulas S4 equal 2 multiplying 2 power 4 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 equal to multiplying 16 minus 1 equal uh, 2 multiplying 5t and answer and then 30. Next, yeah, sequence and series are important concept in Matematika. A sequence is an ordered list of numbers, while a series is the sum of some numbers. These concepts are useful in real life, such as in saving money and understanding group pattern. All right, everyone. Today we have today we learn Today we have learned sequence, series, formulas, and example. I hope you are understand the topic better now. If you still have a question, feel free to ask. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next class and have a great day. Bye bye.